Okay guys, here's that John Deere, too early in the morning for me, V50 chainsaw I got for sale. I'm going to make a quick video of it and video of it running. I did go through and cut through this little piece right here, but that chain is probably dull. I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe they even got it in the wrong direction, I don't know. But anyhow, that's up to you to determine all that stuff. But the chainsaw itself is old, but in good shape. It's well built because, you know, most of these chainsaws today don't have that guard on the bottom, so if you by chance would drop it or something, it doesn't break that case out. I think these are made by Echo. I've got an Echo chainsaw myself. This doesn't have a spring action. This must be just free floating on that one. It does have sort of like a vibe handle thing on it, which is nice to have. There's made Japan, which is great. Alright, so let's give her a whirl. Set this down for a second. See if I can make it faster here. Chuck it on a little bit. That's about it, boys. Thank you.